All right, time to go over what we do in this class. First thing that you should know is when you get here, you're going to want to first log onto a computer. Second, you're going to log on to Canvas. And then third, you're going to upload your homework assignment. If you end up missing class, what you're going to want to do is first you could talk to a neighbor. Second thing you might want to do is look on Canvas, because you can usually see the homework assignment, and if most of the time it's projects that you're continuing. And the third thing you could do is ask me. But first, ask a neighbor or look on Canvas. Oftentimes I don't have time to answer everybody who comes in, especially if we're going over homework or the current assignment. You'll find what we're doing each day at the front of the room under our subjects. So if you're in photo 1, it'll be under photo. If you're in photo 2, it'll be under photo 2. And if you're in AP or photo 3, 4, it'll be under AP art. You will notice that Art Foundations is not up there right now. The reason why is because we'll usually meet in a different room.